Guys, look at my credits and gold points. This hack working amazing. What's up people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing how I got unlimited credits and gold points for Call of Duty Mobile, absolutely free, safe and online, guys. This hack working perfectly in both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop and type in search Call of Duty Mobile and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me enter mine quickly. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found an our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our credited and gold points. So I will go with the maximum. So let me click continue, guys. And let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Call of Duty Mobile, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this AppLoop is an amazing website for this. Okay guys, now we have a few minutes to complete this both check process. Just click I'm not robot, perfect, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download TikTok and I will download Copper and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags. Guys, I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So as you can see, I'm still redirecting. So let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Credit and gold points are important to your account, guys. So excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay. Guys, look at my credits and gold points. This hack working amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.